Welcome another video lecture. In this video we will see the remaining part of the virus classification and different groups from 1 to 7. We will see uh, the families of the group as well as genera and some species that belong to group 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Let us see group 1. Double stranded DNA viruses that belong to group 1. Family Poxviridae. The size of the virus 250 to 400 nanometer in diameter, or you can see 250 to 4 cross 400 nanometer total surface area of the virus. Largest of all viruses, linear double stranded DNA having in their nucleocapsid on RNA polymerase, mean they having their own RNA polymerase into their nucleocapsid, and biconcave core. Here you can see the biconcave structure of this virus. This is biconcave structure, and two linear bodies. Here you can see the linear bodies of two present in the biconcave. Concave, here you can see the concave surface and two linear bodies. It is enveloped virus. External coat is present like lipid coats and also having tubular proteins on their surface. Genera that belong to this virus, this family, we will see the different genera like orthopox virus, which having some species, smallpox vaccinia virus, variola virus, monkeypox virus, or cowpox virus, as well as some mousepox virus also present in this genus. Next genus is Actromelia. Camelpox virus as well as Bephalopox virus belong to Actromelia genus. Parapox virus, pseudo cowpox virus is belong to Parapox virus genus. Bovine papular virus, bovine papular stomatus virus, sealpox virus, all belong to Parapox virus. Next is Capripox virus, sheeppox virus, goatpox virus, lumpy skin virus also belong to Capripox virus. Next is the Avipox virus. Avipox virus having fowlpox virus, pigeonpox virus, turkeypox virus, canarypox virus, spiropox virus, coil maxoma virus are all belong to Avipox virus. Next, Yatapox virus. Yatapox virus having crocodile pox virus, dolphin pox virus, kangaroo pox virus belong to Yatapox virus. Mollusky pox virus or mollusky pox virus, molluscum contagiosum virus belong to mollusky pox virus. Herpes viride. Herpes viride also belong to double stranded DNA viruses, and the size of the herpes viride 100 to 150 nanometer, and viruses that belong to herpes viride are herpes simplex virus, human herpes simplex type 1 virus, which is also known as simplex virus, varicella virus, human herpes simplex virus type 3, or Marek's disease like virus, infectious laryngotrichitis virus like virus, pseudorabies virus also called pseudorabies virus, equine herpes virus belong to this group, bovine herpes virus also belong to this group. Other is cytomegalovirus, genus is cytomegalovirus. These are genera. mean simplex virus, also genera varicella virus, as well as Merck's disease like virus. Also these are infectious laryngotrichitis virus. These all genera. Also cytomegalovirus, human herpes virus 5, Epstein-Barr virus belong to cytomegalovirus. Next family is arenaviridi. The size of the arenavirus is from 75 nanometer approximately. The examples are, you can say, the genera of the arenaviruses are mest adenoviruses, human adenoviruses belong to mest adenoviruses, AV adenoviruses, fall adenoviruses type A, B, C, D, E, chicken embryo lethal orphan viruses belong to also AV adenoviruses. At adenoviruses, example EDS, snake adenoviruses belong to this group. Psi adenoviruses, turkey hemorrhagic enteritis virus, fish adenoviruses also belong to psi adenoviruses or psi adenovirus genus. Polyomaviridae, polyoma virus. The diameter of the polyoma virus is 40 to 50 nanometers. It is small virus. Cubic symmetry, icosahedral symmetry, no envelope, mean there is no envelope, they don't have any kind of envelope. Genome size is 5 kilobase pair or 5 kilobases. And as well as example is SV, semin virus 40, and may cause the tumors. Here you can see the written form of simian virus SV40, referencing strains. Common type of BK polyomavirus, JC polyomavirus, bovine polyomavirus also belong this group, also as well as murine polyomaviruses. Papillomaviruses having 50 nanometer, this is also double stranded DNA viruses. Papillomavirus, human warts, create the human warts. Cottontail rabbit papillomavirus, bovine papillomavirus type 1 to 6, equine papillomavirus, canine papillomaviruses all belong to this papillomavirus genus. Group second, single stranded RNA viruses belong to group second. Some viruses are positive sense and other are negative sense, all belong to group second. First example is parvoviridae, which having size 22 nanometer, approximately 22 nanometer. It is smallest virus which belong to DNA. Icosahedron, non-enveloped viruses. The shape of this virus is icosahedron. It is also non-enveloped viruses. Smallest DNA viruses transmit the respiratory droplet that spreads in the environment, also spread through the environment. B90 virus is example of this virus. Target erythroid cell lines, decreases the RBC. Erythemia infectiosum, rashes, arthritis are the symptoms of this virus. Genera erythroviruses, as I told you earlier that B90 virus ideated aplastic crisis in sickle cell anemia, mean causes the aplastic sickle cell anemia into the host and slap the chicks rashes, also create the chicks rashes. Dependovirus, adeno associated virus 2, bovine feline virus, canine virus Parvovirus, Gauze parvovirus also belong this genre. Type third, double-stranded RNA viruses. Particles typically don't have any kind of enveloped. Segmented viruses means segmented genomes are common. Genomes may or may not be divided into separate particles. Transcription often associated with intact mean RNA is intact form, mean RNA is created into a large or complete protein is transcribed from one RNA. Typically, cytoplasmic replication take place. Many viruses of the fungi and lower eukaryotes in this group belong to in this group. Family of double-stranded RNA viruses, which is commonly found, like Reoviridae, largest family, 10 to 12 segmented, present in their nucleocapsid. Infect mammals, invertebrates, plants, and fungi. Further subgroups also present, like you can say that these are genera: arthroreoviruses, human reoviruses, mammals, birds reoviruses, like rotaviruses, human rotaviruses, bovine rotaviruses also belong to this family. RB virus, blue tongue virus, African horse sickness virus belong to this family, as well as aquarioviruses, golden shiner virus also belong to this family of Reoviridae. Next family is Bernaviridae, which is having 2 to 3 segmented genome or RNA is present in the nucleocapsid. In fact, the vertebrates and invertebrates, the genera of this family is Avibernaviridae. The example of virus is infectious bursal disease in the poultry. Partitiviridae is another family that having 2 to 3 segmented RNA virus that is present in the nucleocapsid of this family. Genetically simple viruses infect the fungi and plants. For the next family is Chrysoviridae, having 4 segmented nucleic acid or genetic material in their nucleocapsid. In fact, the fungi. Next family is Totiviridae, having 1 to 2 segmented, in fact, fungi and lower eukaryotes. Cystoviridae is the last family of this group, having 3 segmented enveloped virions, in fact, the bacteria. Next group is group number 4, positive sense single-stranded RNA viruses. Most common virus is Coronaviridae. The size of this virus is 100 nanometer. Coronaviruses, human coronaviruses associated with common cold, severe acute respiratory syndrome viruses also belong to this family of Coronaviridae. Avian infectious bronchitis virus, transmissible gastroenteritis virus, neonatal cough diarrhea virus, canine coronavirus also belong to this group, as well as COVID-19 coronavirus and COVID-19 novel coronavirus 2019 also belong to this group. Other group is MERS, Middle East respiratory syndrome virus, also belong to Coronaviridae. Toroviridae, equine toroviridae, avian toroviridae or equine torovirus is belong to this group. Avian torovirus also belong to this group. Flaviviridae and other family of this group, having size of 45 nanometer. Flaviviruses like yellow fever virus, dengue hemorrhagic fever virus, hepatitis Hep C virus mean hepatitis C virus, Japanese encephalitis virus also belong to this Hep C virus, the genus of Hep C virus. Other is pestivirus, bovine viral diarrhea virus, also belong to genus pestivirus. These are non-enveloped viruses. Calciviridae. The size of the Calciviridae 38 nanometer. The genera of this Calciviridae is sporo-like virus, Norwalk virus, hepatitis E virus also belong to sporo-like virus, genus of the sporo-like virus. Other genus is Logovirus, feline Calciviridae or calcivirus, feline calcivirus, rabbit hemorrhagic disease virus also belong to this Logovirus genus, and these both genera belong to Calciviridae. The size of the Calciviridae 38 nanometer and also non-enveloped virus. And next is Picornavirus or Picornaviridae, very famous virus because this family contain the influenza virus, which is very famous virus. Poliovirus. Poliovirus is very famous virus. Let us see. Hepatovirus mean hepatitis A virus. Enteroviruses like poliovirus type 1, hemorrhagic conjunctivitis virus, Coxsackie human rhinoviruses also belong to this genera of enterovirus. Enteric cytopathic human orphan virus, bovine enterovirus, avian encephalitis virus all belong to enterovirus genera enterovirus. Next genera is rhinovirus, bovine and equine rhinoviruses. Next genera is Aphthous virus, belong to Picornaviridae family, and most famous virus is FMD virus, foot and mouth disease virus. Arbovirus, equine rhinotrichitis virus, B type V virus is belong to arbovirus. All these genera belong to Picornavirus. Next is Togaviridae. The size of the Togaviridae 60 nanometer and positive single stranded RNA virus. The example of these viruses is robavirus, Rubella virus, German measles virus, mumps virus, alpha virus, equine encephalitis viruses, Eastern Western Venzolian encephalitis virus also belong to Togaviridae. Group 5th, negative single stranded RNA viruses. Orthomexoviridae is very famous family. Orthomexoviridae, the size of these viruses 80 to 120 nanometer. Very common virus belong to this family is influenza virus, influenza type A, B, C. Human and animal influenza belong to type A virus, while type B and C only having the human viruses or belong to human viruses or can infect only human. Thogota virus, Dorivirus, Issa virus, infectious salmon anemia virus belong to this genus of Issa virus, and these all three genera belong to Orthomexoviridae. This is the structure, internal as well as external, of Orthomexovirus. There is on the external surface, the spikes are present on the surface of these viruses, which having two kind of proteins, hemagglutinin proteins as well as neuraminidase proteins on the surface in the form of spike. Internal this spike there is a lipid bilayer membrane, which is also called as enveloped because this virus is enveloped. Internal to the envelope there is a protein that form internal capsid, which is also known as M1 protein. After that protein there is a nucleic acid or genetic material present inside the virus, which is also segmented. Here you can see the segmented nucleic acid or genetic material is present inside the virus. Next family is Paramexoviridae. The size of the Paramexoviridae is 150 nanometer, and the examples are genus of this virus is morbillivirus, measles virus, equine morbillivirus, rinderpest virus, canine distemper virus, dolphin distemper virus, lion distemper virus, and Pestidipetitis ruminant virus also belong to this genus. Next genus is Paramexovirus, human Paramexovirus, parainfluenza virus 1 to 5 type 1 to 5. Ribola virus is another genus which having our mump virus is present in the Ribola virus, or mump virus belong to Ribola virus. Pneumonovirus, human, bovine, mice, respiratory syncytial virus also belong to pneumonovirus. Metapneumovirus, turkey rhinotrichitis virus belong to metapneumovirus. Ebola virus, Newcastle disease virus belong to Ebola virus, genus Ebola virus, and respirovirus, Sendai virus is belong to respirovirus. Hanipa virus, Hendra virus, Nipah virus also belong to Hanipa, genus Hanipa virus, and these all genera belong to Paramexoviridae. Next family is Rhabdoviridae, which is very famous family. The size of these viruses 75 cross 180 nanometer, and Rhabdo or Lissa viruses belong to Rhabdoviridae. Rabies virus belong to Rhabdo or Lissa virus, as well as next genera is vesiculovirus. Vesiculovirus is also vesiculostomitis virus belong to vesiculovirus, and amphimarovirus belong to amphivirovirus belong to Rhabdoviridae, and the species of this virus is amphimaral fever virus. Norway rhabdovirus, infectious hematopoietic necrosis virus also belong to this group. Arenaviridae, the size of the Arenaviridae 80 to 130 nanometer. Arena means sand. Arena viruses, lymphocytic choriomeningitis virus belong to this virus. This family of Arenaviridae as well as Lissa viruses also belong to Arenaviridae. Filoviridae and other family, the size of Filoviridae is 1400 nanometer. It's too large. The Marburg-like virus, Marburg virus, and Ebola viruses belong to this family. Next family is Bunyaviridae, 100 nanometer. Norovirus, Crimean Congo hemorrhagic fever virus, hantavirus, California encephalitis virus, Nairobi sheep disease virus, Arthrobunia virus, Acaban fever virus, and last genus is Fabovirus. Rift Valley fever virus belong to Fabovirus, and these three all genera belong to Bunyaviridae family. Group 6, reverse transcribing virus, retrovirus. The size of retrovirus is 100 nanometer. The examples are genera. Some are present in the written form. Here you can see the alpha retroviruses, The examples of the alpha retroviruses: T cell leukemia virus, avian leukosis virus, reticuloendotheliosis virus, bovine leukosis virus. Next is the lentivirus, which also show the are having HIV virus, or you can say the HIV virus as HIV virus, or HIV belong to lentivirus. Spumavirus, fomivirus also belong to this family of retroviruses. Group 7 and last group of this whole classification of Baltimore classification, which is DNA reverse transcribing virus, mean having DNA and then transcribing into RNA. The example of HepaDNA viridae, the size of these viruses 42 nanometer. HepaDNA E like viruses, hepatitis E virus, ortho HepaDNA viruses, hepatitis B virus, AV HepaDNA viruses, RDEC hepatitis virus belong to this family. Subviral agents like prions are mammalian prions like Scrapie agents, Markow agent, as well as human prions like Koru is also written. Here you can see the different kind of, it is also infectious proteins, don't have any kind of nuclear material, as I told you in the previous slides or previous video lectures. This is all about today lecture. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for you people. You can also comment for some kind of your special topic you can ask in the comments. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.